In front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Over here. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove. To change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag them to create a perfect list and hit Save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!